ones, welcome to Share Blessing Kitchen. Okay, in today's video I want to show you guys how I managed to go about this okpa. It has been long. I bought this okpa like 2 months ago, 2 penta. I don't like to straight to how will I even put it safe. I buy this okpa 2 months ago. Okay, I don't really have chance to go to engine to go and grind it. My children will be crying, mommy, I want to eat okpa, I want to eat okpa, I want to eat okpa. Okay, this afternoon I don't have any choice than to go and blend it. When I went to blend it, I want to grind it the day before yesterday. They said that the okpa is too cold. I should take it home and put it in sun, which I've been doing it since. Okay, I want to pack it now to go and grind it. Okay, in the kitchen. Okay, this is my back corridor, and this is the okpa now. And you guys, I put it on the ground so that it can dry. Okay, I will prepare everything to go to engine to go and grind it. Let me give my children a delicious meal. They say, mommy, I want to eat okpa, mommy, I want to eat okpa, mommy, I want to eat okpa, I want to eat okpa. Why? Since I have this okpa here, I went to go and buy the one that already ground in the market. Can you guys see the okpa? This is the okpa. Okay guys, it's drying. This is the okpa now. I've already break it and come out everything now. It remains to go and grind it in engine. Can you guys see it? I'm in the engine grinding okpa right now. At the engine, I'm grinding okpa in the engine right now. Okay, let me show you how I used to fit it. Guys, I'm back from engine. Okay guys, you see this okpa where I buy now is 10,000 naira plus the grinding, everything is almost 10,000, almost 11,100. Okay guys, and in this place, in my location here, this penta of okpa grand one is 7.5. Okay, because as immediately I buy that okpa self, I did not do it, and 3 months as the thing come begin to spoil, that is when I serious to go and do it. I have to, the one that I throw away almost fully spent. Okay, let me measure it if it's benefitable to do DIY process, or it's profitable to go and buy it already made like this. Let us see it. Let us do the experiment. Let us do the experiment. But it's the easiest recipe. Okay, if you put it, you add your oil, you mix it together. This is to add your warm water and mix it together thoroughly. It's very hot, so the sun have helped me to add maggi and salt already. Can you guys see the maggi and salt? Some people don't used to add maggi, but they use only salt. But for me, I will add maggi because I don't know how I will make food without maggi. Thank you guys. Yes guys, I forget to show you when I put pepper and onions. Okay, because I'm the one that is holding camera for myself. I forget about to show you guys. Okay, this is the okpa. Can you guys see the consistencies? Don't let it tickle. If not, your okpa will turn to stone. You will not be able to eat it. Let's begin to tie it, put for pack. Yes guys, this is the okpa. Okay, see the outcome of the okpa.